It's pretty fantastic. I
10
mean,
on 10. Purna Mata, savior. I'm the one responsible for cooking. So if Nymble is not functioning, it's all the load over me. But since Nymble is there, it has transferred here. I love cooking, but Nymble has taken away and he's taking care of cooking. Thank you so much.
poha used to be one of our favorite dishes. Whenever it was like, okay, what should we eat? And both of us will answer poha. Let's do poha, right? And this usually happens during dinner. And dinner usually we want to eat light. And poha is the perfect example of that. And we have cooked poha almost 3 or 4 times. The taste is exactly same because it's built by a machine.
Our guests too, right? When we were giving a demo, we made poha for them because we love Nymble's poha, so we did that. Cooking savior. Honestly, I feel relieved because I know if we have to cook or run time, anyone is coming over, we can cook in Nymble. I feel very relieved because I don't have that pressure of cooking all the time. We usually have vegetables and everything stocked up. We can cook anything we want. So, savior.
Cleanability is very easy. In fact, I clean it like immediately, right? Like spatula quality is also pretty good. I'm guessing it's made of silicone also, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't burn or anything, and then it doesn't ruin the pan. That's very important.
The quality of pan you guys are providing is 10 on 10. People would buy for any number of price.
It's pretty convenient to cook on Nymble because you don't have to look at what's happening with the recipe, whether it's getting burned or whatever, right? You don't have to worry about all that. Prep the ingredients, keep it, and then do what it is doing, right? That's about it. I think because we both are working, right? Cooking fresh meal for us is
Very important, yeah.
Little difficult, right? As I said, our habits were like cooking everything on Saturdays and Sundays, dumping, and then eating like
leftovers,
right? And this is really given us a good opportunity to eat fresh food every day, right? That's the best thing that can happen, right? And also the variety of food that we can get. I really want to get to a state where I need to use it every day.